Hello everyone! I hope you've had a wonderful week. Story time! In today's video, I will talk about how I began practicing mindfulness, as well as a few useful tips for you to start your mindfulness journey. Let's dive in! So, what is mindfulness? According to Greater Good magazine, mindfulness means when we maintain a moment-by-moment awareness of our thoughts, feelings, bodily sensations, and surrounding environment. To me, mindfulness is a practical solution to brain fog and chaotic reality. For example, when I feel stressed or overwhelmed, I exercise, keep myself hydrated, or just close my eyes and let my mind flow. Here's my story. I was never into fitness or meditation before the pandemic. Although I was well aware of the importance of mental health, if you don't already know, that's my profession. I didn't really take care of my well-being for a long time. If you haven't watched my stress eating videos, I have included them in the description below. I began practicing mindfulness during the lockdown, simply because I had nothing else better to do. All non-essential businesses were affected by the lockdown, except for those that were online or allowed to work remotely. I felt horrible every day. So I took my friend's advice to utilize online resources such as learning new skills and practicing meditation. It wasn't easy for me to start because I didn't have any routine at that time. Our minds and thoughts often shape our behaviors. So what I did was try to convince myself that creating a routine would be helpful. Let me give you some examples. First, I forced myself to sleep early and wake up early. Second, I cooked healthier meals, more veggies and less oil, sugar, salt, and fat. And I fasted for 8 hours. Third, I meditated. I was a type A person, so closing my eyes, focusing on breathing for 5 minutes was too difficult to begin with. I took baby steps, I timed 1 minute and went from there. If you are looking to start your mindfulness journey, I have a few tips for you. Have a consistent sleep pattern, build healthy eating habits, be a lifelong learner, start an exercise routine, and find your way to practice mindfulness. It doesn't have to be yoga or meditation. As long as you focus on your breathing and yourself, even for 5 minutes, you will feel the difference. That's all for now. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you want to support and join the PD community. Thank you for watching.